Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I'm very excited today because I have two really big reasons to celebrate. This past week was my 2-year anniversary on YouTube. Crazy. And I just posted my 200th video. So I was thinking about doing a giveaway, but I could really only afford to ship a painting to North America. So I gave my friends at Fluid Art Co. a call because they have offices in North America and Europe and Australia. So they've agreed to partner with me and so that I can give away my favorite 12 This Little Piggy pigments. That's 12 This Little Piggy pigments. It's a $200 value, and if you comment on this video by Saturday, December the 2nd, I will do the draw that night and I will announce the winner on Sunday, December the 3rd. So make sure you comment on this video by Saturday, December the 2nd, and Fluid Art Co. and I will ship you off my 12 favorite This Little Piggy pigments. And also in celebration of my 2 reasons to celebrate, I'm going to do a twofer for you today. So stay tuned, let's paint. Hello and welcome. Tonight I'm very excited to be working on a pair of 24 by 24 inch canvases. I've gone ahead and painted the sides and edges because my base coat color is going to be this custom blue that I've mixed up. It's kind of a teal, there's lots of leftover greens and blues mixed in here, so it's kind of a bit of a dark turquoise color to it. I want to use up some of my leftover paints, so I'm using this as my background color. Now this will dry darker than it appears at the moment, so I want to do something, since this is going to be really dark, I want some colors that are going to be very bright. So I've mixed up kind of a rainbow of colors and I'll walk you through them now. And 2 of these are This Little Piggy pigment. This is Rad, and then this one is Mermaid. And for these 2, I have dispersed the pigments with Jo Sonja gloss varnish, and then I put in a healthy scoop of Liquitex gloss gel and mixed that up and made it into a tube paint, and then I added my regular pouring medium, which is 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part PVA glue, and 1 part gloss varnish. So there's lots of varnish and gloss in both of these, so that it should be very, very shiny. Also, this is Amsterdam's vermilion with a little bit of azo orange mixed into it, and this is primary yellow, and this is turquoise green, and those 3 colors are all Amsterdam. And then I have some white, which is Chromacryl Acrylic Essentials in white, and I also have some DecoArt 24 karat gold. And I actually did this almost exactly the same way that I did the piggies. I used a healthy dollop of the Liquitex gloss gel to make this a lot thicker, because I think you can see I want this thick enough that it leaves a mound on a mound on a mound and disappears very, very slowly. Because the technique that I'm going to be doing tonight is a ribbon pour. So I'm hoping to leave lots of negative space. So I'm going to layer my cup and then do some intentional curves, and I'll probably turn the canvas a couple of times. When I tilt it out, the most important part is going to be the part in the middle, so I'll try and make sure that these ribbons overlap each other in the center and then kind of disperse out. That's the idea. We'll see if it tilts out that way. But I'm going to put on some music for you and I will get started.
Until you really hear We're driving down the boulevard, cruising with the windows down, feeling like we run this town. Your song is on the radio, the one you always like, the one that always gets you psyched. We've been drinking all the cheap wine all night, acting stupid but it feels so right. I know that we will all be just fine, but tonight I just wanna dance it off. Ignore the world with me tonight. Wanna dance it off. Put your body next to mine. Can't get the smile off my face. Don't really have a reason why, but I don't even have to try. This feeling is here to stay. Let's keep it going all night. Don't stop till we see sunlight. We've been drinking all that cheap wine all night, acting stupid but it feels so right. I know that we will all be just fine, but tonight I just wanna dance it off. Ignore the world with me tonight. Wanna dance it off. Put your body next to mine. I just wanna dance it off. Ignore the world with me tonight. Wanna dance it off. Put your body next to mine. Just wanna dance it off. Ignore the world with me tonight. Room is filled with silence. We're alone and frightened. All we do is lie. Throw away our labor like a piece of paper, gone and won't be found. And ooh, 'cause you were not wrong. And ooh, 'cause we are not one. You've blown out the last ray and buried us in cold waves. I'm dancing in the mess you left behind. Now you don't know me, can't control or own me, but you're the one who's playing with my mind. Yeah. So I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind. Yeah. So I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind. You head for north, I'm south. Though you're gone, it feels like something's watching me. I turn my head around you, see if the stalker is you, but all I see is rain. And ooh, 'cause you were right all the time. And ooh, 'cause we are not fine. behind. You've blown out the last ray and buried us in cold waves. I'm dancing in the mess you left behind. Now you don't know me, can't control your own control. You're the one who's playing with my mind. So I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind. So I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind. Room is filled with silence. We're alone and frightened. All we do is lie. Work is almost over, summer's getting closer. No time to be sober, sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love, I feel the love. I hope it never goes away. I feel the love, love, love. Feel the love, love, love. I feel the 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 Baby, what's your number? I wanna go under. Making you a memory, that's really all I need. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on